Hey there everyone. I've got a real quick and easy one for you here. I just wanted to show you some of the plant pottery rings that I get in my backyard around my house. And believe it or not, there is a super easy, no-cost way to solve this problem. The water in my area has a real heavy concentration of calcium, and it's always been a problem for me. So pots that I have that are sitting flat on the ground anywhere around my house, we always have had this problem. Okay, so now for the fix. We're gonna walk over here in my garden. We're gonna collect 3 little pebbles. So now all 3 of these are about the same size. Now we're gonna place these on the ground, sort of in a triangle. These are essentially gonna be the feet for the pot. It's gonna lift these pots up a little bit off the ground. Now we're gonna move the pot right on top of these stones. Just making sure it looks level, looks good. And here's my other pot. You can see similar. 3 pebbles underneath. I've had these pebbles under that pot for over a year, no rings. The concept is simple. Just keep the contact point between the pot and the ground to a minimum, as small as possible. Essentially lifting the pot off the ground, allowing air to circulate under that pot. It dries out, water doesn't sit there and accumulate. So like I said, this was going to be a super quick and easy one. Thanks for watching, hope it helped. Happy planting, take care.